Okay, so today I'm making cream spinach, or cream of spinach, however you want to say it. It's pretty simple, it's just a lot of different steps. So I got fresh spinach. You can use a pound of frozen spinach, or you can get fresh spinach and get about 2.5 pounds of that. I got 4 of the 10-ounce bags at just a Food Line, the Walmart brand. I boiled them, and then you put them in a strainer. You're gonna want to take a spoon and kind of squeeze out the water so there's the least water as possible in there, and then you just chop them up. I just chopped them like 1 or 2 inches, and then I put them in the bowl. So these are done. The next thing we're gonna do is do the onions and garlic and butter. So I will take about 2 tablespoons of butter, put it in the pan, and then saute our onions and garlic, and then add salt, pepper. The recipe calls for a tablespoon of nutmeg. We don't really prefer nutmeg, like the flavoring of it, so we're gonna try it today with ranch seasoning. And once I do that, I'll come back and show you. I took our 1 yellow onion. I ended up using about like 4 tablespoons of butter, and then I did about 1 tablespoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt, or teaspoon of salt, and then 1 tablespoon of the ranch seasoning. And then now I'm going to add 1/4 cup of flour and mix that in. Mix it in for about 1 minute or 2 on low, which I have this, of course, off the burner because it's on the counter. So I'm just gonna mix it in until everything's coated. Then we will add our 3.5 cups of half enough, and then we'll bring that to a boil. So just mix it a little bit, make sure it's mixed in. So you can't really see it other than on the sides right there. So just have that all mixed in, and then we're gonna do, again, 3.5 cups of just half and half. Again, the brand doesn't really matter. This is just what they had. It was the last one they had at the Walmart last night. So there's 2 cups, and then another 1.5 cups. Okay. So we're gonna put this back on the stove over medium heat, and then we're gonna bring it to a boil. It'll take probably about 10 minutes to do that. Okay, so I just put this on the stove. We did the 3.5 cups of half and half with the flour, with our seasonings and our onions, and then I waited till it boiled. I let it boil for about 2-3 minutes, and then I added a block of cream cheese, and then I added a cup of shredded mozzarella, and then shredded Parmesan, and then a cup of shredded mozzarella. Again, any brand, doesn't really matter. Mix that all up, and then I'm gonna add our spinach that we did earlier, that I boiled and then let drain and then chopped. So we're gonna add this in, put all of it in there. Mix that in, let it heat up, and then you can serve it like this. You can serve some extra cheese on top. Well, I'm gonna put ours in a pan, and then we're gonna eat it later tonight with dinner. So I'll put it in the pan, put some cheese on top of it, and then we'll eat it tonight. It'll look delicious. Okay, so there's our cream spinach.